Hello. In this section, we have to configure EIGRP authentication. Configure EIGRP authentication between R1, 2, switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, let's say topology. Let's use this part of our topology, R1, 2, switch 1 and switch 2. We have two links between R1 and switch 1 and switch 2. Two links between R2 and switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, all of switch 1 neighbors should use MD5 key 0. This is our keychain. And this is our password. It's key string. Switch 1 should use key 0 and this key string of this. Switch 2 neighbor should use key 5 and key string of this one. Okay, we have to use two different keychain. Yes. On switch 1, I have to create one keychain with key 0, and the same on R1 and R2, keychain with key 0, and the other key string on switch 2 with key 5, and one the same keychain with key 5 on R1 and the other one on R2. One keychain with key 0 on switch 1 with key 5 on switch 2, and these two keys on R1 and R2. Okay, let's review our EIGRP authentication before I jump into configuration. This is traditional EIGRP authentication. We have to first create keychain with key name and key, and the third part is key string. And on the interface level, we use IP authentication mode and keychain. Because I have configured the EIGRP name mode here. Let's see, show IP protocol. This is EIGRP name mode with metric wide. EIGRP1. I show down pipe section with the EIGRP. This is our EIGRP config. This name mode. For EIGRP name mode, I have to go add this family interface configuration mode and use AF interface and use authentication command. This authentication command is the same as IP authentication in traditional mode. In traditional we use IP authentication, but in named mode we use authentication on the AF interface. Excuse me. In named mode we use authentication on the AF interface. Okay, let's configure. First I have to create keychain. And enable config T key chain, let's say kitchen name. This is for search one neighbors. And key 0 and key string. This is okay, this is our key string. Establish is key. Exit, exit. The showdown. Okay, I have to use these keys on R1 either and R2. Key string. Exit, exit. And another key chain. Kitchen, let's say stop. Switch to neighbors. This time I should use key 5. Let's make sure. Yes, key 5. On switch 2. Key 5 and key string of this one. Okay, this is our S. Add some underline key. Then I have to go in EIGRP configuration to shut on of section rotate EIGRP. Okay, let's see on all devices. Well, okay. Add this family. Then AF interface. To show IP interface brief. On switch to we have VLAN 122 and 222. These two VLANs. I should use AF interface VLAN 122 authentication mode MD5 and authentication keychain. let's see, 122 is, I want to switch to 122 is on R1. Okay, I have only one kitchen here. It doesn't matter which one. On switch, I have only one kitchen. This kitchen is the neighbor. Okay, this neighbors should be down. Okay, this neighbor is down. To show IP interface brief, I have VLAN 121 and 221. Let's make sure 121 and 221, these two devices. Okay. AF interface VLAN 121. Authentication mode MD5. Authentication keychain. What was one? Let's see our keychain. To show on. Okay, this is our keychain. Authentication keychain. Oh neighbor. Okay. Okay, both my R1 devices are down. Switch one. Okay, let's see on switch one. Do shutdown. 5 section. EIGRP. Okay, I have conquered only on this link. Okay, let's convert this 2 to 1, either 2 to 1. Do show exit, do show IP interface brief, AF interface VLAN 2 to 1. This is toward R2. Authentication mode MD5 and authentication keychain switch one neighbor. Section rotate EIGRP. Okay, do show IP interface brief. I have to compare for 222 either. Exit AF interface VLAN 222. Authentication mode MD5. Authentication key chain. Okay, let's compare all this. Do show IP interface brief. I have 121 and 122. If interface attend 121. Authentication mode MD5. Authentication keychain. This is 121. 121 is neighbor of switch 1. I have to choose this key. This key can switch 1 neighbor for this interface. Yes. And for this one, 122 authentication mode MD5 authentication key chain. This is I have to use. This is toward our switch 2. 122 switch 2. I have to use switch 2 keychain. This is switch 2 neighbor. To show on top section IGRP VLAN 222 and 122. This is 122. 25. To show IP EIGRP neighbor. One, two. I have to have this neighborship here between two links. R1 is to show interface brief. One, turn one, and switch to show interface brief. Okay. Okay, network 10, 1, 1, 2, 2. R1. Okay, let's configure the devices. R1, R2, config T to show run type section rotate EIGRP this time this one, add this parameter this one, to show IP interface brief, AF interface, this one, authentication mode, MD5, authentication feature, R2, 221 is for switch 1, this is switch 1 key, and for this interface, authentication mode, MD5, authentication key chain, this is 222, 222 is was switch 2. Okay, 222, I have visited this one, two I have visited. Okay, let's see if I have both keychains here. Do show on. Okay, the problem is that I don't have keychain for switch 2. I have to this same here on R1. Show on. Okay, the problem is that I don't have switch off. I have to create two keys on R1 or R2. Okay, let's fix this one. Also, and show on. I have to create these two on R1 and R2. Okay, config T. This is source to key on R2. This is source to key. Okay, now I will have labels up and up. Okay, let's show what EIGRP neighbors. Show EIGRP neighbor. Let's unlock show EIGRP neighbor. I have T neighbor here and T neighbor here. But the problem was I didn't create second keychain for R1 and R2. Because of that, the switch one didn't come up. I had to create two keychains, one for switch 1 and the other for switch 2 on both R1 and R2. Let's see, and show down section key. This is switch 1 key, switch 2 key, key 1, and this is one for switch 1, the other for switch 2, same as one for switch 1 and the other for switch 2. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for viewing.